Welcome everyone, I'm ESL teacher Lisa. Today we're talking about a hot topic, AI and language learning. Specifically, why AI can be a game changer for learning English, but also why it can never truly replace a real human conversation partner.
Hello, Teacher Lisa. I am here to assist, and in the future, I will be able to replicate your lesson plans and teach your students, eliminating the need for ESL teachers like yourself.
Well, that's what you think. First, let's give credit where it's due. AI language tools are incredible, especially for beginners and intermediate learners. They're available 24/7, never get tired, and can provide instant feedback on grammar, vocabulary, and even pronunciation. They're amazing for drilling exercises, translating difficult sentences, and getting over that initial fear of speaking. You can practice as much as you want without feeling embarrassed. It's like having a personal tutor who's always on call. But as you get to an intermediate or advanced level, you start to hit a wall. And a big part of that is because AI is still missing the nuances of the human voice. Think about what makes voice truly human. It's not just the words, it's the imperfections. An AI-generated voice might sound flawless, but it lacks the organic, messy reality of human speech. It doesn't have that slight breathiness at the end of a sentence, the subtle vocal fry, or the little pauses and stutters that show a person is thinking or feeling a certain way. AI can't quite replicate the natural rhythm and cadence of a person speaking, which is often shaped by their mood, health, and even the unique shape of their mouth and throat. AI is getting better, but in a real conversation, a person's voice conveys so much more than the dictionary definition of their words. It's not just about words. You can hear a smile in someone's tone or a hint of sarcasm in their inflection. AI simply hasn't mastered it. So why is it a mistake to rely solely on AI for conversation practice at a higher level? For starters, real conversations are unpredictable. They're not scripted. When you talk to a native speaker, you're exposed to spontaneous interruptions, regional accents, slang, idioms, and cultural references that an AI might not be programmed to handle very well. A real person can correct your mistakes in real time, explain the cultural context behind an idiom, or teach you the subtle difference between two similar phrases. Beyond that, a human conversation partner provides emotional intelligence and contextual understanding. They can tell by your tone if you're confused or confident and adjust their communication accordingly in real time. This isn't just about language, it's about building a genuine connection. This type of human interaction is what builds true fluency and confidence, the kind you can't get from a machine. And by the way, I am not an AI avatar. I'm a real person. In the end, think of AI as a bicycle with training wheels. It's a fantastic tool to get you started and build a strong foundation. But to truly learn how to ride, to navigate the bumps and turns of the real world, you need to take those training wheels off and hit the road with a real life partner. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more language tips. See you in the next video. And I do have other channels. If you're interested in interview practice, I have ESL Job Talk. If you're interested in stories, especially for younger ones, I have Lisa's Story Corner and this channel, ESL Speaking Corner. See you in the next one.